Welcome my dear students, and let us see in today's class, let us continue the next question of third exercise statistics chapter 14.3, and this is the question number 4, and here it is a data about length and number of leaves, length of the plants. How many plants? For example, 9 plants measured 136 to 144 millimeters. So this is the data about the measurement of the length of the leaves. And let us find median of this data. And as you know, first of all, let us recall the formula. You better to write the formula first of all. What is median? Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by small f into h. Yes, and you know that the given data should be converted into tabular form. So here we have rows, 2 rows, that rows should be converted into columns. We are classifying the given data. We are classifying the given data. First of all, observe the given data. Length, these are class intervals. Check the class intervals first of all. Here, when you are going to substitute L, that is called a lower boundary of median class, the classes must be taken in continuous classes, or in other words we could say that exclusive type of classes. But once everybody check this 118 to 126, and the second class starts with the fresh value 127 to 135, and third class again starts with the fresh value 136. No continuation, no chain. Therefore, this type of classes are called inclusive type of classes. But to solve this problem, we must convert this inclusive type of classes into exclusive type. In other words, we could say continuous classes by taking the limits, boundaries. 118 to 126. Take the lower boundary of 118. Lower boundary means left side value, but it is not exclusive, not continuation. So therefore you can take 0.5 less than 118. So we get 117.5 to 126.5, because the upper boundary is always greater than the given limit. 0.5 more, 0.5 more than 126. So in the same manner, now you get continuation. You know that left side limit, lower boundary 0.5 should be less. So we get 126.5 to 135.5. Next continuation, you get chain now. 135.5 to 144.5. Next 144.5 to 153.5. Next 153.5 to 162.5. Yes, 162.5 to 171.5, and finally 171.5 to 180.5. Now we have converted the given class intervals into exclusive continuation classes, continuous classes. Now write the number of leaves, that is 3, 5, 9, 12, and it is 5, 4 and 2. And coming to the last third column, you know that cumulative frequency, already we have discussed in our previous videos, previous questions, 1, 2, 3 questions. Cumulative frequency is nothing but the summation of the given values one by one from top to bottom. That is nothing but ascending order. First one, no change. Second one, 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, 8 plus 9 is 17. And 17 plus 12 is 29. And 29 plus 5 is 34. And 34 plus 4 is 38. And finally 38 plus 2 is 40. So this is the data about 40 leaves measurement. So finally we have got 40. Let us write the values. What we required in the formula? one by one. L here, L. What is the lower boundary? First of all, we have to find N, because to select the one of the classes as model class, we must know what is N. Number of observation. Number of observations 40. And you take half of 40 because median half. What is half of 40? 20. Now you check where do we get the 20th observation in cumulative frequency. 3 up to 8 up to 17. 29. Yes, after 17 the remaining values 18 to 29 in this class we can find. Therefore this class is called median class, and this is called median class frequency, and this is median class. And you know that this is called preceding cumulative frequency of median class. So this is cumulative frequency, and now everything we have got it. Just write down the values. Lower boundary of median class, that is 144.5, and next n by 2, that is half of 40, you know that 20. Next cumulative frequency is 17, and finally f is median class frequency is 12, and h, that is height of the classes, 126.5 to 135.5 and 135.5 to 144.5. You observe here it is plus 9, the increasing by 9. So you can take class height of the class is 9. Let us substitute. Therefore median is equals to L 144.5 plus n by 2, that is 20, minus cumulative frequency 17 by small f, that is median class frequency 12, into height 9. We just cancel by 3 table. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now what are left? You just take it down. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 gives 3. 3 3s are 9 by 4. Now it is in fractional form. Convert into decimal form. As you know, 4 table. 4 2s are 8. 1 decimal point. 4 2s are 8. 2. Already decimal point is there. You can take it down 0, and 4 5s are 20. This is exact value. Now it is 144.5 plus 2.25. Just in rough column you add it. Find the sum of these two decimal values because they are decimals. Don't get confused. No problem. You better to write in the rough column. 144.5 plus 2 point. Decimal point should be in the same order. 25. Here no decimal value, 0. And addition, sum of these two values is 144. 4 plus 2 6. 146.75. So we have got 146.7. So this is the average median length. What is the median length? 146.75 length. The length of the leaf, median leaves. The median length of the leaves is 146.75 millimeters. So just like this, very simple. Keep in the mind formula, get the values and substitute. But keep in the mind, my dear student, don't get confused. If the classes are not continuous classes, not continuation means not exclusive type, immediately you convert by taking their boundaries. Then only you get the answer. Otherwise, your total hard work will be 0. So that you keep in mind. So let's continue the next. Yes, this is question number 5. This is the data about neon lamps. What is the lifetime of neon lamps in hours? So 3,500 to 4,000 hours. How many? 74 lamps lifetime is 3,500 to 4,000 hours. So it's very clear. This is a data about the lifetime of neon lamps. 400 neon lamps. So n is equals to 400. Let us convert these into columns. The given data should be classified into columns, and then we have to find the median. Just very easy. And here lifetime And next, number of lamps, yes, and cumulative frequency. Lifetime 1500 to 2000, and 2000 to 2500, and 2500 to 3000, and it is 3000 to 3500, and 3500 to 4000, and it is 4000 to 4500, and 4500 to 5000. And coming to number of lamps, it is 14, 56, 60, and it is 86, 74, yes. Now it is 62, 48, and total number is 400, already given in the question. So this is the data about 400 lamps. So n value is, yes. Now let us find cumulative frequency. As you know, cumulative frequency can be taken just like this. Go on adding one by one. First value no change. Second value 14 plus 56, that is 70. Next 70 plus 60 is 130. Just go on adding. And 130 plus 86 is 216, and the 216 plus 74, so you get 290, and this 290 plus 62 is 352, and finally this 352 plus 48 gives 400, which is the total number of neon lamps. All the observation, sum of all the observation. Let us write the values. And here L, what is the lower boundary? We have to check. First of all, select which class is median class. Here the class interval is saying these classes are continuous classes. So no problem, no need of confusion, no question of confusion. Just to take the half of n. What is n? Total number of observation 400. What is half of 400? That is 200. So where do you find, where do you get the 200? Let us check. 14 up to 70 up to 30, 260. After 131 to 260 values will be, that value lies in this class. Therefore you can take this class is median class, and this is median class frequency. This preceding is cumulative frequency, and this is lower boundary. L is equal to lower boundary of median class, that is 3000, and n by 2, half of sum of observation, that is 400 by 2 is 200. Then cumulative frequency is 130, and small f, that is frequency of median class, 86, and finally h, that is the height of the class, 200, 2500, 3000, 3500, increasing by 500, increasing by 500. Now let us substitute the values. Therefore median is equals to lower boundary is 3000 plus n by 2 is 200 minus cumulative frequency is 130 whole divided by small f is 86 into h, that is 500. Yes. Let us cancel this numerator and denominator by 2 table. 2 4s are 2 3s are, and it is 250. 2 4s are 2. Let us simplify. Now it is 3000 plus 200 minus 130. 200 minus 130 gives 70. That's 70 into 250. 250 70s are. You can do in rough column, and that is 7 zeros are 7 5 are 35. So what is the 14 plus 3? 70. So it gives 17,500. That is 70 into 250. Yes, by 40. Now once again it is in fractional form. Convert into decimal form. As you know, the division 17,500 should be divided by this 43 table. First of all, take the first 3 digits, 43 table. The nearest value is 4. You can take 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 4 is 60 plus 1 17. This remainder is 3. and take it down one digit, but the 30 number which is less than 43, less than the divisor, so immediately you take one more digit, but before going to take one more digit, we have to take 10. Yes, now it becomes 300. So 43 table, the nearest value of 300 is 7 4s are 28, but it's greater than, so 6 is possible. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 24 plus 1 25. Then you get the remainder is 42. Now decimal point 10. Now it has become 420. 43 table directly you can check by 9 table. 9 3 is 27, 2 is there, and for 36 plus 2 38. Now once again find the remainder. 10 minus 7 is 3. Just subtraction. You no need of spending much time. You can understand, I think. And here 1 is there left. Now it becomes 11 minus 8, 3. Now we have got 33. Already we have decimal point, so you can take 0. Now it has become 330. 43 table. I think 8s are not possible. 7s is possible. Yes, 7. 3 is 21. 2 is left. 7 4 28 plus 300. Now 30 minus, yes, 10 minus 1 9, and it is 29. Already I have told you many times in the previous videos, previous questions, you better to find the 3 decimal places and immediately correct into 2 decimal place while writing in this final result. That's why I am finding one more decimal point, decimal value. Now it is 290. Yes, 290. The nearest value, 7s are not possible. So once again you take 6, so that is 258. Because it is 290 minus 58. It is 2. 8 minus 5 is 32. Stop there. And it is 406.976. Check the last third decimal place. We have to check whether it is equal to 5, greater than 5, or less than 5. 3 cases. In that, less than 5 means immediately you neglect, just simply neglect. But if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it is greater than 5, add 1 to its preceding digit. Now it becomes 3000 plus the decimal value of this fraction is 406.98. 7 becomes 8, that is 98. And finally we can 3406.98. So this is the final result. You can check here. You can write your solution in the last. Give a statement here. The median of lifetime of lamps is 3406.98 hours. So like that, you go through the questions and try to complete the problems. Now this is the question number 7. This is the data about the weight of the students. Here they have given weight of the students 55 kgs to 60 kgs. How many students weights are 50 to 55 or 55 to 60 kgs? 6 students weight is 55 kgs to 60. They lie between 55 to 60. Now we have to find the median weight of the students. You know that the given data should be converted into columns. Just classify the data. This is first of all weight, and secondly number of students that you can take as frequency. This you know that it is class interval, and third column is cumulative frequency. Let us take, let us just write, take it down, 40 to 45. Yes, 40 to 45. This is the class interval, nothing but weight of the students, number of students. And you know that this is number of students, total number of students. Already they have given 5, 8, 13, 6, 19, 25, 5. This is the data of 30 students. 30 students data is given. Let us find the median of the weight of the students. You know that cumulative frequency, which is the last column of this table, you know that the first value remains same, and second value just you go on adding the next, the succeeding value should be added. 5 plus 8 and it gives 13. 13 plus 6 is 19, and 19 plus 6 is 25, and next 25 plus 3 is 28, and finally 28 plus 2 is 30. And you know that after taking the given raw data into after classifying the given raw data, check the median class. Select the median class first. So before going to set the median class, we know that first of all we have to find the n value of n. What is n? N denotes, n gives the total number of observation is 30. What is half of 30? We should check half of 30, half of n, that is 15, 1 5. Where do you get the 15th observation? 2, 5 up to 13, 14 to 19 lies in this class. So therefore this is fourth class. Yes, this fourth class is median class. We have selected. So you know that median class cumulative frequency, that preceding cumulative frequency is CF, cumulative frequency. Median class value frequency is F, and this is the lower boundary. These are continuous classes. No question about confusion. Yeah, let us write here L. What is L? 55, and n by 2 half of 30, 15. Cumulative frequency is given. Now we have got, after solving 13, and now small f is 6 and height h is 5. Let us substitute, just to substitute the values. Lower boundary 55 plus half is 15 minus cumulative frequency is 13 by frequency 6 into height is 5. Just to simplify, very simple, one of the simplest question. 15 minus 13 is 2, 2 5 is a 10, 10 by 6, again fractional form. Just check by 6 table, 6 1 is 6, and you get 4 decimal point, 6 5, 6 6 is 36, and again 4, 6 6 is 36, 6 6 is 36. You get, but 3 decimal places cut and add 1, and finally we get 55 plus 1.67 it becomes. Now it is 56.67. Now here you have 40, 36, and again 6 6 is 36, 4. So you get 1.6666 like that, isn't it? So it is a non-terminating decimal. So continuation you will get 666. So we know that we should take only 3 decimal places. You get 1.666. The third decimal place 6 is greater than 5. We add 1 to its preceding digit. You get 1.67 is added, and finally we have got this result. And 56.67 kgs is the main weight of the students. So just like this, you can do any problems. Just go through all the example problems and be prepared for your term examinations, internal examination. So that's it. Let's continue the next exercise in the next class. That's it.